Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I want to talk about the science of coloring hair. Share with you hairdresser secrets, hair color levels, and their undertones. Understanding hair color charts and hair color wheels. Makes hair coloring so much easier and it will impact your results. The level describes how light or dark the shade is, while the tone is all about the hue or tint your hair color gives off. How do you read a hair color chart? So, the first number is the base of the color and indicates how light or dark color is. 1.0 is black, 5.0 is light brown, 6.0 is dark blonde, 7.0 is medium blonde, and 10 is the lightest blonde. In my case, as you can see in the video, my natural hair color, roots, is a level 4.0. Percentage of white, I would say 30% white hair. Middle part is a level 7.0, and in between you can see highlights level 9.0. We have analyzed the different levels in my hair. Let's get into analyzing my tones and undertones. My natural hair color, the roots, can you guess my undertone? Yes, you're right, it's red. Middle part has a level 6.0, it's between 6.0 and 7.0. Undertone there is definitely orange, and you can see has an orangey color. Blonde highlights, they are between a 8.0 and 9.0, definitely yellow undertone. If you look at the color wheel and the hair color level chart, choose the right color to neutralize on the color wheel. I have chosen 7.0, 8.1, and 8.8. To cover white hair, you always need to use natural color to add the pigment which is missing, which is for me 7.0. 8.1 light blonde, blue, or ash to neutralize the orange in my hair. 8.8 light blonde, tone 8, it's a mix of green, purple, and blue. It's called mocha, coffee tone. It's a mix of all cool colors, which is against yellow, orange, and red. To neutralize my length and deposit color, I have used 7.8 and 8.23. Alright, so this is the final look. What do you think? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. You guys stay safe. See you in the next video. Bisous.